with all the fireflies. This place is really beautiful, even right now in its early stages. I can't wait to see how many more fireflies we get once these trees are grown and they have a full support system around them. Different types of companion plants, more shelter for the fireflies and other beneficial insects. But I just wanted to give you guys a few quiet moments to enjoy all the sounds, the tree frogs, the crickets, the birds. A few more years I can take these tree tubes off, and instead of a bunch of plastic tubes out of the ground, we'll have trees to look at. Thank you all for your support, for joining me on all these different videos I do on all these different topics. Over there it really looks like fireworks right now. Just constant flashes. Just a beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful place to be. Thank you all for watching. If you want to support this, I have a Patreon that's as little as $3 a month. Everything that gets put into that Patreon gets put back into this land. All the blue tubes this year are hazelnuts. Last year's funds paid for about half of them. So every year, what you guys give makes this place better. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you in another video as soon as I can. Goodbye, everybody.